So the point is, uh, your name is Vladimir. How many years?
Yes,
How many years you have experience?
almost 20.
20.
Almost 20.
Nice. And I'm the technical project manager in that company we are hiring. So we need a senior front end technical lead. We have our four front end engineer, three to four.
Oh, that's great.
So we
You
need,
need technical read only on front end?
yeah, only on front end technically. He have to lead the full team and also deliver all of the front end work, and he has to communicate with all of the front engineers, upgrading the system, find out the gaps and solving it, incorporating AI and other points, and also coding. That person will be responsible for coding also, and also
What do
recruit.
you use on front end?
Mhm.
React, I think,
Yeah,
something like that. React, TypeScript,
yeah, Next.js.
Next.js, that's great.
So you are, I'm saying you are pretty much experienced. So I'm not asking you any technical question like what is SSR, how React works. I shouldn't ask you because I believe you have that experience. But the
Eh,
point is,
eh. Also, with the late AI development, I think it's we changed the paradigm of the development right now. So I think we will soon have something more better to the better language for the front end and backend development that we'll use for mostly AI agent and don't cost a lot of money for the development. Of course, the last year I don't develop myself mostly. Of course, I can do the hand development, but I use Claude Gemini and something like that. And with the open claw solutions, there is no need to do much attention for that. I think your developer use AI agent on the front end development, right?
yeah, right. In your profile, I'm seeing mostly you have worked in blockchain, Node.js, Web3, and also the Python.
A little. I work a little with that. Not with. I take part with some NFT project. Work it a little with the blockchain. Of course, it's quite interesting theme, but don't work on it last half of a year. My project was ended for that. It was the NTF game with some NTF coins, but I think it was quite interesting for with the development.
So you have front end and back end both experience or only front end?
I have full stack developer experience, of course, and I worked a lot with as the team lead, tech lead, with some project, for example, typingmaster.com, typingtastic.com, where that is in my profile too.
Yeah. So I'm saying you have already four jobs in progress. So
Yes, I it's quite old jobs. I just, as I said before, finish it one this Friday with the support. So right now I am free for the new projects.
yeah, so the in progress four project are not in progress. So you will not be working.
It's just hand-on um, without any doing on that right now. It's normally commonly for experienced developers that working on Upwork that are more than 20, maybe 30, 40 projects job. It's okay.
Yeah.
If you check another top-rated developers. Can
Okay.
you please tell me more about your project? What are you developing?
No, we are just building a e-commerce website, e-commerce portal. Backend is Magento and front end is Next.js. And
Oh, okay.
there is another project which is B2C and also B2B. And there is a project where we're working in Node.js, also Nest.js. So there are 3 to 5 portal where we are building a e-commerce portal where we will be selling our product. We have our own product, like a tool. We have our tool so that any customer can go there and buy it. There is a checkout process, dashboard, return policy, cancel policy, like that. Just a e-commerce site. So,
Oh, okay,
and also we
okay.
have our own company website, and there are another client where we are working in well, another tool also. So when you will be joined, then I can show you better. Oh, I have another question to you, like how you will be leading our front end engineers when you will be joining.
Okay, first of all, I will check their profiles, make some first meetings. There I meet the engineer. Also, I wanted to speak with each one-to-one to understand their possibility. As I understand, they already work as the team right now, right? Or not?
Yeah, they are working in the team already, 3 to 5 months.
Oh, that's great. What countries are they from?
Someone from Philippines, another is from Pakistan. Philippines, Pakistan.
Okay, that's great. What tracking system they use for now?
Tracking system Hubstub we are using for
Okay, that's quite nice. Okay, so the first my step will be checking the current pipeline and the productivity of the developers. I will check how the system is working right now. So how they can get the tasks, how they solve the tasks, how the task is formed, how it's clear. What is the tool? And I think we will have something like toolkit, storybook, webkit, different frameworks of using, reusing components, and etc. I will check all that architecture. Then I check the developer's profile. How the task came to the team? Who you make the
uh,
tasks, or you have another client?
no, I'll be creating all of the tasks for those.
Okay, I will. Uh, how you? So right now you are working as the team lead, right? If you
Yeah,
give them the tasks.
yeah, like I'm the technical project manager, so all of the developers, engineers, I'm managing everyone here. DevOps, designer, front end engineer, back end engineers, everyone.
Okay, okay, I understand. So I will check the current solution and I will not want to break anything process as soon as they pass some month and we'll just check what I can help with right now. Will help with you. What results are you going to get after first month, after 3 months, in the quarter, in the half of the year, and at the end of the year? The results need to be defined in numbers, and it will be correct for each developer. So we need to know what point we are now and what point we are moving on. Without it, it's just quite chaotic. After that, I will check the current pipeline, the technology of the user, the code quality. If it's all good, I just start to working on architecture of the new project and leading the team to get the better results.
Yeah. Okay. Um. So My concern is you are able to manage, I believe, but will you code or you will not code?
Of course, I code. I love the development. I love the development. I code myself, and I'm going to code a lot myself. Going to do the code review, as I understand if we have some. Uh, if you team use the AI agent, they something not bring the good result or bring the better result. I will check the prompts, check the code review. I think the developers already have a lot of experience with that, but I'm checking how it will be work with, and also I will code myself to take care of the most problematic tasks or most problematic architecture problems or something like that. Optimization, SEO optimization, bundle optimization, SSR rendering, and uh,
Yeah,
all stuff like that.
and you have to match with our US time. So are you able to match with US time also? Like not like you can overlap 4 to 5 hours in US time.
I think yes. I think yes, it's not a problem. But about overlapping, you have some developers in US.
No, but the client and
You want
CEO, CTO.
the client speaking? Yes,
Yeah,
yes, I can
sometimes
overlap. I can speak with client and etc. It's no problem.
sometimes there will be urgent issues, urgent problems, and you need to deliver as a technical lead for all of the front end engineers. So so
I
may
know if you
so
have a call with the client, it's need to fix as app in any time and deploy as soon as possible. Besides, how you test your solution? Do you have tester, manual
yeah,
testing, automatic testing?
we have our three tester, so that should
Oh,
be
that's great.
and okay, I think pretty much fine. I'm not going to ask you more. I hope that you have 18 years, 20 years experience, so hopefully you will contribute best. That's why we are trying to go with
Yeah.
you. And I have also another question regarding the payment. Let me talk to you.